All right, here I have a 2023 Mazda 3 with the 2.5-liter engine, and I was doing an oil change. And if you just want the quick information on it, it takes 0W20, 4.8 quarts. The drain plug size is 17 millimeters. The torque is 23 to 30 foot-pounds. And then I even left the OEM filter number right there. So that's all the info. The rest of the video is just to see where everything's at. This at the top of the engine, you got the dipstick and the oil cap right next to each other, so they make it very easy for you. And then at the bottom of the engine, there's going to be two covers on the passenger side. The bigger one is the one you're going to want to take off. It has two 8mm bolts, and then that's going to reveal the oil filter and the drain plug. And again, it's very easy. And then when you fill up your oil, you're going to want the oil to be in between those two dots. And then to reset your oil life, you're going to come here. You're going to press the home button to go there. And then you're going to spin the knob counterclockwise to go up or clockwise to go down. And click on information. Go down to vehicle status monitor. And then go down to vehicle maintenance settings. And then there's two things. There's reset oil change distance. And then that'll reset that. But then if you go back, by just going back, sometimes right there where it says next service, it'll stay at 0. So what you have to do is vehicle maintenance settings. Right here where it says next service date, click it to go auto, click it back to go to manual. And then if you go back, you'll see that it'll be reset. So yeah, I don't know why it does that. I'd have to look at the manual to see what the difference is. But yeah, there's two different maintenance resets. Or you could just leave it at auto, and that should be fine. So if you have any questions, just let me know and I'll try to help you out.